Congratulations! You're about to experience immersive theater sound with an all-new VIZIO soundbar. Today we will be unboxing and setting up the VIZIO V-Series 2.1 and 5.1 soundbar. Let's get started. First, lay the box on its side and locate each of the pull tabs marked open along the edges. Using a knife or box cutter, cut off the tape portion and slide open each of the tabs. Lift open the side of the packaging. Then locate and remove the brown accessories box using the circle cutout to pull. Next, remove the foam protector above the subwoofer. Be sure to review the quick setup sheet for both simple and advanced setup options before getting started. Next, lift the subwoofer out and remove the protective cover. Then lift the soundbar out and remove the protective cover as well. The VIZIO V-Series 2.1 and 5.1 soundbars come with a 36-inch soundbar and a wireless subwoofer. The V-Series 5.1 soundbar also comes with two versatile surround speakers for a fully immersive surround sound experience. Locate the surround speakers box and remove it from the packaging. Next, remove the individual low-profile surround speakers from within the box. Your accessories box provides all the cables and accessories you need to get set up in minutes. Included accessories are an HDMI cable, a digital optical cable, the power cable, the subwoofer power cable, two surround speaker audio cables, wall mounting brackets, cable ties, a wall mounting template, a remote control, and the user manual. Now let's connect your soundbar to your TV. First, position the soundbar underneath your TV. Make sure the soundbar is close to ear level. Remove the sticker from the back of the soundbar to reveal the power connector. Next, connect the power cable to the soundbar and the other end to the power outlet. Once the power cable is plugged in, the soundbar will automatically begin searching for an active input. The multicolored LED indicators on the left front of the soundbar will begin cycling through inputs until an audio source is detected. For the best audio experience, use the included HDMI cable to connect your soundbar to the HDMI ARC port on your TV. After the HDMI is connected, your soundbar should automatically be detected and the multicolored LED indicators on your soundbar will stop cycling. If your TV does not have an HDMI ARC port, we recommend using the digital optical cable for the next best quality connection. Next, place the wireless subwoofer near a power outlet in an optimal position in the room. Now connect the power cable to the subwoofer and the other end into a power outlet. The subwoofer will power on and automatically link to the soundbar. The LED light on the back of the subwoofer will glow solid from the connection. If you are setting up the VIZIO V-Series 5.1 soundbar, connect the surround speakers to the subwoofer using the included color-coded surround speaker audio cables. The blue cable plugs into the left surround speaker and the subwoofer. The gray cable plugs into the right surround speaker and the subwoofer. For an optimal immersive sound experience, place the surround speakers behind you at your level. However, if your space is limited, you can also use front surround mode, which allows you to position your surround speakers to the left and right of your soundbar to create a virtualized 5.1 immersive experience. Refer to the included user manual for this setup. If you're not hearing audio, confirm the multicolored LED on your soundbar is set to HDMI ARC, or whichever connection you choose during setup. Refer to the back of your soundbar remote for the input color guide. After your soundbar is set up, you can also easily adjust soundbar settings directly on your VIZIO TV screen. This feature will vary on select TV models. Using your VIZIO remote, press the menu icon and select the Audio submenu. Here you can adjust different settings for your soundbar. These settings include EQ mode, bass, treble, dialogue, virtual X, and more. Enjoy your all-new VIZIO V-Series 2.1 or 5.1 soundbar and experience truly immersive surround sound.